The Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Sawlyngdoh Higher Secondary School, Mawkaiaw in the JAINTIA Hills had kick-started on 17th December 2021, where Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA graced the inaugural function as chief guest in the presence of Minister for Education and also guest of honor, LAHKMEN RYMBUI, MLA from NARTIANG and Cabinet Minister SNIAWBHALANG DHAR, government officials, teachers, students, besides others. CONRAD SANGMA, while addressing the gathering, offered due credit to the founders of the school for their vision and foresight into establishing one of the oldest and best schools in the area. He also stated that the implementation of the Meghalaya education policy has become a driving force in taking education in the state to newer realms. Whatever could not be achieved in the past 15 years has been achievable in the last 4 years by the present government, CONRAD SANGMA added.
The education department came out with the education policy, and that has been the guiding principle for us to work and improve the education department. In the last 4 years, the kind of investments that have gone into different school infrastructures, colleges, higher secondary schools, LP schools, has been unprecedented. And if anybody were to study the education department and see the kind of work that's happened, they will be able to see that what we could not achieve in the last 15 years, maybe 20 years, we have been able to do that in the last 4 years. And while I say that, I accept that there are still challenges, and I accept that we will not be able to change everything. But we are trying our best. And it just shows the mindset of the people and the founders who had started the school with great challenges and difficulties during that time. It's not easy to start on a new venture, not having the resources, not having the infrastructure, not knowing how things will go. So we must, at this point in time, remember the founders of the school who laid the foundation, where today, not only the students who are studying out here, but even our local MLA